Design with hierarchy in Photoshop. Hierarchy helps your audience understand what's important in your design. Let's learn how to use some hierarchy principles with Photoshop on the iPad. We will size and scale objects, images, and text to make things stand out in your design. We'll use contrast and color to communicate what's important. We'll play with position to see how it can help with the relationship between your visual elements. If everything was the same, it would confuse your audience. With images on Photoshop, tap and change the size by using the white circular handles. Remember that you may need to tap on the appropriate layer in the layer stack. Tap on the right for the Layers tab. To change text, tap on Layer Properties on the right and change the size of your text with the Font Size slider. You can also play around with the fonts. You can choose the typeface and font. Choose a heavier typeface to make text stand out, or choose a bold font contrasted to regular. Tap on color to use grayscale or colors to make the text stand out. You can play with position to make it easier for your image and text to stand out. Try using negative space. You don't need to fill in the whole page. Use the crop and rotate tool to help you judge the spacing, as Photoshop on iPad does not have grid and rulers tools yet. Tap on the crop and rotate tool to get a visual of your spacing and balance. Tap Done on the top right and adjust your graphical elements. The aim is to help the viewer know where to look first, then second, and so on. A hierarchy. Make your design stand out and communicate effectively to your audience. Designing with hierarchy on Photoshop. Enjoy!